local, natural, poor food, children's health, children's mental and physical health, and also environment. These are my topics what I'm running for. I see the need to shift balance in food industry in favor of small and organic producers. And I also think that that the CAP doesn't satisfy the end consumers anymore, nor does it benefit the small and or organic and or young producers. And I also think that the more or fairer rural and agricultural subsidies can be a very important part of fighting against the rural and the regional depopulation. I'm in favor of further European integration, but of course it depends on where and when. But I do believe that integration in common foreign and security policy is absolutely must. And I think that the norms and standards in any production, but especially in food production, should be coherent in all the member states. Actually, this is a very complicated topic, but I think that if we are talking about refugees, it's our responsibility to help people less favor than us, and the way European Union have acted makes me proud, actually. But of course we should shift, we should aim more our efforts in preventing and solving problems and also helping people at the respective countries. And if we are talking about so-called economic migrants, then of course in some fields it's necessary. The main problem of European Union and its institutions is that it seems very distant and awfully bureaucratic. In order to get more involvement to the citizen, I think first European Union has to ensure that people understand the working mechanisms and the benefits of the Union first. And of course, cutting down bureaucracy and implementing some e-solutions should be important steps on that way. And as Estonia is a country with a very strong IT background, we should use our experience and why not to lead this process. I think the most new thing will be the fact that there is only 27 member states in European Union instead of 28, as United Kingdom will be leaving due to the Brexit referendum. And I also believe that I would like to see a much bigger number of green people in the new European Parliament.